Top center, talk to it. Top center, yeah, go, 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 go. It's fun to make those every once in a while. There you go. What's up?
When did you graduate?
From college, Westchester.
Westchester?
I had to think about it. Yeah. Is this thing on? Yep, there we go. Oh shit. Coming out top center. Top right. Yeah, there you go, Sterling. Yeah, Billy, go. Billy, give him help. Go give him help, Billy. There you go. Good, nice and easy. He's behind you. Okay. Top right, coming down, might be a break. Sterling, turn. Just eyes on him. Side right. Yeah, watch cutters. Ball's top left. Hold, get a lift. He's a shooter.
Take.
That was close. That's okay. All right, hey, number up, you aware. All right, ball's coming in at X. Yep, there we go. Benson 1. Benson 1. D middies up top. I need it 2. Sterling and Stu, talk through it. Side right. Billy 1. Yeah. Hey, be ready to go early. Be ready to go early. Talk through it. All right, yeah. Hey, it's gonna be early, okay? It's gonna be early. Hold. Turn. Good. Hold. Go. All right. That's okay.
One's gotta go.
Yeah. That's gonna be an early. Yeah, pretty much regardless, just so we can switch him off. That's okay. Now we know. Yeah, they took advantage of the mismatch.
I mean, I yelled yours. 7 seconds.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to sink in, but
That's all right. Yeah, we just got to go for it. We got it. Yeah. Point. There you go. Wheels, Stu, wheels. Get our guys on. I think he closed his eyes for that one. Yeah, there you go, Matt. Oh yeah, downhill, Matt. Okay, so he doesn't want the ball. Strong hand, Miller. Oh, just get in. Ball's up. Hold out, move it around, move it. Oh, that's not a good take. Drop, Miller, drop! Drop all the way. Hey, it's gonna be a break. Thank you, yeah, Sterling over. Ball's down. Good, Sterling, good. All you, Bill, 1 midi back. Miller, stay. Miller, you're gonna stay. Matt, go, Miller, stay. We got possession shot. All right. Get numbers on, get numbers. Good read, Bill. Sterling, good slide. Yep, that looks about right. That's our offense.
Good job out there, guys.
Thank you, you too, Dank. Ball side left. One more from the box. There you go, go on, Benson. Benson, you got box. Ball's top right, ball's in the air. Yeah, go, Jake. Top right, coming down, Benson. Benson stopping ball. Chris, look away. There you go, Benson on ball. Open. We're open. Still open. Ball side right. Yeah, Sterling, you can go 1. Sterling, go 1. Ball's at X.
There's my 2.
Big chop if you want. Yeah, there you go. Dink, all you. No picks. Wide open. Sterling 1. Hold. Go. Go. Side left. Side left. Good go. Good go.
High.
There you go. Hey, ball side left. Sterling 1. You guys talk through. Hey, yeah, talk through backside, okay?
I'm hot. I'm hot. Hey, I'm hot.
Benson 1. Benson 1. Hey, hey, touching him backside. Touching him backside. Hold. Hold. Go, 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 go. Yeah, ball's down. Hey, flick here if you need it. Flick here if you need it. Right now. Right now. Good. Ari, 1 up. Excellent look, Benson. Benson, stay. No, Benson, go. Yeah, TC, stay. Good, good. Great job, Dink. Good poise. Good poise. Very nice, Sterling. Very nice. Is it? That's not good. Yeah, go, baby, go. Yeah, there you go. Good look. Good look, good take. Hey, great poise down low. Hey, if we can, let's try to make one of the poles the 1. Just so, you know, yeah, we have a little better knowledge to go when, yeah. We'll just talk through it. Yep, we'll just talk through it.
I just told that shorty just go super on, just go.
Yeah, 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 exactly. We're sending them, yeah, sending them early or yeah. Yep. Yeah, exactly. Sterling 1. 4-4.
Go on your call.
Yep, yeah, on you, Sterling. All right, yeah, on my go, on my go, on my go. Yeah, there you go. Deflection. 1 man on, Billy. Oh, God. His arm's dead right now. Top right. Hey, it's a big pass coming down. Over you. Yeah, sink in, sink in, sink in. No cutters. Hey, you're wide open, Bill. Watch the dodge. Top right. Sterling wide open. Bill, be ready to step up. Tyler, turn around. Still got it. Still got it. Ball's top right. Perfect, Sterling. Perfect. Keep him wide. Open. Still 1. Tyler, pick left. Talk through it. Hold. Hold. Yeah, Tyler, keep him wide. Hey, you can go if you want to. Ball's back right. That's good. That was a good step up. Good step up. Talk through the pick. Tyler, good. Hey, good defense, Tyler. Good defense. Ball's back right. Tyler 1. No, Tyler's off. Hey, hey, talk 1-2 right here. Hey, we can go Chris 1 if you want it. Hey, Chris 1. Where's my 2? Ball's going up. Ball's going up. Two on one. 2-on-1. 2-on-1. Top center. Coming down, hold. Tyler, my 1, hold. Go, 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 go. Rotate up. Still got it. Top center, top center. Still got it, hold.
Go.
Yeah, we don't really get a break in that department too often. Good early go. Good early go.
That wasn't really nice. I thought that was TC back there on the pack. When I made that pass.
Yeah.
I got you.
5-4. Yeah, let's go, Dink. All right, he's out of commission. Ethan's out.
Hey, bump over, get point.
Yeah.
Point.
Yeah, Tyler point. You're gonna be right. Sterling early 1. Hold nothing. If you need it, TC if you need it. TC if you need it. I'll just blow it next time. Drop, drop, Sterling on ball. Hey, yeah, Dink, be ready to go across if you need it. Nope, we're good, we're good. Settle in, settle in. Ball's top right, Billy on ball. Sterling, Sterling, be ready. Go down if you need it. Sterling, be ready. You're giving me my one. Nope, off. Hey, are we adjacent? We have a crease. Tyler one. All right, yeah, hey, we're going out. Our ball, our ball, our ball. Bad pass, our ball. You got wheels? You can go to him. Slow right here if you need it. Yeah, Sterling drop, Dink on ball. Chris, get in, work inside out.
Sterling, I was tired of letting us play off.
One ball. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Benson, come on. 1, 2, 3. Billy on ball. Billy on ball. Sterling, top right. Sterling, come down a little bit. Sterling, yeah, right there. Perfect, Sterling, perfect. Balls at X. Balls at X. Hey, who's my one? Who's my one? Hold. Turn! Turn! Left! Sterling, recover! Hey, crease! Crease, Sterling!
I got X, I got X!
Yeah, yeah. There you go. Hold, hold, hold. Go, go, go! Ball's low. You got it, Sterling. Side left. Back right. Yeah! Oh, that's it. Yeah, you... Woo! There you go. Drop it. I'm open. Slow, slow, slow. Right here. Hey, we're going to do 2-on-1 right here, okay? Benson. Turn, go, Benson. Good, good, Sterling, very nice. Top left, coming down. Hey, could be a break. Could be a break. Bill, turn. Bill, yeah, just show. You're good, nothing, nothing.
Hey, I got crease here, I got crease.
I can't see fucking anything right now. Ball's gonna be at X, ball's gonna be at X. Talk through it.
Hey, come in. Not yet, it's there.
Nothing, nothing. Benson, slough in just a little bit for me. Yeah, Benson, you got coming, topped up. Hold, hold. Turn! Turn! There you go, yeah, right there. Keep him low, keep him low. Good, Benson, talk through it. Benson on ball, keep him low. Hold. Push him down, you're at GLE right now. Watch cutters, nothing. Hold. Turn! You're good, nothing. No slide, no slide. You can show, yeah. Still on ball, Benson, still on ball. Balls at X, hold. Slide, slide, slide. Still hot on him.
Oh. Okay, crease.
Crease out. All right, word. I like the idea. Yeah. Walk it, Sterling. Sterling, I got you. Straight back, straight back, straight back, straight back. You can play 2-on-1 if you want to, Benson. There you go, Benson.
Whoa, come on. You can't get crease left on his neck.
Yeah, that's a safety issue, too. Big dodge, Benson. Big dodge. Good, he drew him. Now, hey, we got a show for him. Is there no whistle?
Coming in.
Coming in.